Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to turn this table, or this candle holder from Dollar Tree, into a table. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is get yourself some heavy duty snips. And then you get your son or your husband that's got strong hands, and you cut them. Now you can take the top off by bending it if you want, but I'm not really worried about that. So now you have this piece. Okay, so once it looks like that, then you want to take your plexiglass. I'm just using plexiglass from a picture frame, and then we cut it on the edges to look like a octagon. All right, these chairs, there's a tutorial for that. You can paint them black to match, or you can make different chairs. We have all kind of chair tutorials on my website. And then the umbrella, there's also a tutorial on that and a template for that. But there you go. Nice black wrought iron table. Paint these black and it'll look really, really cool. All right. If you have some plates or cups or whatever, you can kind of put them on there to decorate it up. Now, these cups are actually wire nuts. All right, and then the plates, let me move this so you can see it. The plates, there's a tutorial on this, and this is made out of water bottle lids. So you could do that, and there's lots of them on there. I've got some with really pretty patterns in it and everything. So watch that tutorial if you want to make some plates. It was very easy to do, and it took about 10 seconds to do it. All right. Hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you enjoy this little miniature table. You can always glue this on if you like. You don't have to, but you can do whatever you want. It's kind of an option. I saw it sitting there in a dollar store, and I thought, wow, what a way to do that. Now, obviously, you can, if you don't have kids or whatever, you can do a little piece of glass on there. But one thing I would suggest, if this is not going to be glued down to anything where these edges are here, to use some sandpaper and sand it, or a file and sand it so that it's not sharp. If you don't have that to do that with, put some epoxy on here and then let it sit to soften that edge. All right, but there it is. That's the base for the table. Hopefully this tutorial was fun, and we will see you in the next video. All right, keep an eye out for some other videos or some other stuff that we're doing, like these really cute not birdhouses, sorry, these boats. Tutorial will be coming for that very soon. All right, have a wonderful day, and we will see you the next time. Thanks a lot. Take care.